Hello, my soul family. Hope you all are doing good. I'm feeling positive. If you are interested in exploring the traditional art forms of Bengal, then this is for you to do with fun and creative way. Look no further because I have just the thing to celebrate Bengali New Year or any kind of occasion like Lakshmi Puja, wedding party celebration in a traditional way. From intricate folk art to colorful clay sculptures, this art vlog has it all. I hope you also getting inspired to create your own unique pieces. So grab your art supplies and watch it all. This is the Gaj photo associated with Goddess Lakshmi. Firstly, I have painted it all with red acrylic and then wrapped it around with the white threads to create a textured surface and finished it with the traditional touch-up with the Alpuna design. Now I am painting the small basket of rice which is called Dhaner Khobi in my area. Don't know what it is called in your region, please comment below. I have also redecorated with the Alpuna design. I hope you all love the patterns I am using in the design. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more crafty vlogs. It's always a not-breaking experience to put yourself out there on the internet. But knowing that there are people like you who appreciate and enjoy our works make it all worth it. I am incredibly grateful for the time and effort you took to view my content. Here I am restyling the bamboo basket by pasting red fabric frills all around the basket. I have made this fabric frill with the help of needle and threads and have pasted it with the help of hot glue sticks. I am preparing something that looks like a halkhata. Halkhata means a fresh account book. Halkhata refers to the act of opening a new red-colored business account book on Bengali New Year. Guys, is not it resembled like the Halkhata? Look how simple it is. This is terracotta style horse painting. Basically, terracotta refers to the baked clay formations of Bankura and Bishnupur. Here I am just taking the formation with little modernization, giving the touch of white lines design. These tribal patterns are used in Shaurya art style in Odisha. I am attaching this painting on a kula. You will get its final look in my next upload. Writing Boishakhi Shubhecha on a red cloth using white acrylics. As I don't have the fabrical color with me right now, you should use the fabrical color to make it permanent. I'm not going to wash this cloth. This type of Bengali calligraphy I like most, as I find it very stylish. I'm going to use it as a cushion cover. In next part, I will show you how I have organized all these things in my table. We can use most of the items in other festival also, like Saraswati Puja, Akshaya Tritiya, Lakshmi Puja decorations. This unique flower basket is remodeled by using some paints and jute tassels so that it can be more eye-catching. Thank you so much for being a part of my journey. Your support gives me the confidence to continue creating content, and I hope that will bring joy, inspirations and entertainment to all of you. Thank you so much once again. Keep watching, stay tuned, live a blissful life. Till then, bye bye. Namaste.